This is Swasti. I am a final year student, industrial design student from Symbiosis, Pune, and this is me sharing my experience in PRAYOG India. So I was working on a major project called Walkie Talkie, and as a design student, I really lacked the basic understanding of how the walkie talkie works or how the circuit works, to be specific. And I was really looking for a resource or a person that could help me out with the components and the compatibility of components and how it's going to be assembled together. But then fortunately I came through PRAYOG India, and we do get everything here, all the components, all the sensors, like everything I needed. Plus you also get guidance and consultation for your projects. So I did get it for mine. I got a proper guidance as I really lacked the basic understanding of the projects and the components. They helped me out to identify each and every components or the required components for my projects, how it's going to look, how it's going to assemble, and overall they are very kind to you. They'll be very kind to you. The staff is really nice. They would help you out thoroughly with your projects and they would clear your doubts anytime. And overall the service was really good, and I would definitely, if I have to recommend anyone, I would definitely recommend to go experience the service there, because if you really need help for your projects, and PRAYOG India is definitely recommended because it's a DIY robotics.